Alright guys, it looks like there will be necessary to have a very small part 4 of this video. I'm just removing the lower control arm bushing towards the rear, and it wasn't coming out by just tapping, so I had to use a small pulley puller, and it just works fine. It looks like that bolt there, it actually has a hole in the middle, specifically so that you can put the pulley puller on it, so that's very thoughtful of them. You see, very nice. I will put some anti-seize on those, just a little bit, just to make it easier for next time. But in this case, won't be really necessary. But as you can see, the threads are really nice because I did put the anti-seize on it. There you go. Pretty much it. Sounds like we're at a disco party, eh? Yeah, there you go. I'll just put the I'll put the new one on there because I won't be able to put the MacGyver one, from the shock absorber bushing in, because I don't have the sleeve. So I'll just use the new one, the proper one for it on there. And alright, there you go.